How much is NVIDIA worth today? $100? $300? $1,000? I'll discuss that in today's video. I'll go over NVIDIA's business, their financials, my DCF valuation model, and what I am going to do. Am I buying or am I selling? So grab a coffee, stick around for 10 minutes, and let's dive in. NVIDIA has her hands in a lot of growth industries. You've got gaming, you've got Bitcoin mining, you've got AI, you've got the cloud. NVIDIA also has plans to purchase ARM and to push ARM onto servers and the cloud. They are in a lot of fields. NVIDIA is also making chips for full self-driving called Orin. Waymo is a customer. Tesla used to be a customer till Tesla went off and sort of did their own thing. See that chip on the right? It says Robotaxi. Comment down below, who will reach level 5 first? NVIDIA/Waymo or Tesla? NVIDIA reigns supreme in gaming GPUs. This market share chart is a little old, but you get the idea. NVIDIA has just always been top dog. One particular advantage that NVIDIA has over their competitors is DLSS. This is what sets them apart from AMD and Intel. AMD and Intel don't have a truly competitive product here. I won't bore you with the details, but the main advantage of DLSS is to render an image at a lower resolution and then use machine learning and artificial intelligence to upscale the image. This results in much better frame rates for your games. NVIDIA also powers the Nintendo Switch. NVIDIA has a chip dedicated to mining cryptocurrency. As you can see in this pic, this card prints cash. NVIDIA's CEO is Jensen Huang. Jensen has a master's degree in electrical engineering from Stanford University. I'll tell you what, that knowledge has paid off. Let's face facts. Intel is not AMD's toughest competitor. NVIDIA is. There is a reason why AMD went after Intel first. Just something to think about. Oh, Shamo the NVIDIA Kitty wants to say hi. Oh, almost forgot. I'm Brian, the Finance Ninja. Next up, financials. After financials, I'll show you my DCF. You'll want to stick out for it. It's a can't miss. So NVIDIA, what have you done for us lately? So let's look at the 1-year performance. Oh my goodness, a 71.33% gain on the year. Oh boy, that is crazy. Forward PE of 52.4, market cap $548 billion US. So let's look at NVIDIA's growth. Revenue shot up from $7 billion in 2017 to nearly $22 billion in the trailing 12 months. This is a growth monster. No doubt about it. Cash of nearly $20 billion. Hey NVIDIA, want to throw me a bone here? The number to look at here is the embedded growth. $2 billion in 2017 to $8.5 billion in the trailing 12 months. NVIDIA is growing fast in the profit department. Net debt, negative $6.8 billion. It's always good to have a net debt below zero. It means you have more cash than debt. And here's what the analysts think. 12-month price target is $219.62, which is actually close to today's price. Let's look at Q2's earnings briefly. Revenue up 68%. Operating income up 103%. Net income up 92%. These are monster numbers. Some data center numbers. I prefer to look at the data center. These are high margin businesses. Up 35% year over year. That's about the same growth rate as the cloud industry. Now that that's over with, let's look at my DCF and my price target for NVIDIA. You know the reason you came to this video in the first place? Next up is my DCF valuation model. But before I get to that, a note. This is Valuation Week for Finance Ninja. I plan to release a valuation video every day this week, Monday to Friday. Obviously, today is NVIDIA. I did Tesla yesterday, Alibaba the day before that. Check those out, they're great. Also in the cards this week are Square, Logitech, Microsoft, Airbnb, Upwork, and others. I say others because I haven't decided on this week's slate. You can help me out here in the comment section down below. Let me know what companies you would like me to value. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss a valuation video. Let's get to my valuation model for NVIDIA. As you can see, I'm estimating an EBITDA in 2021 of $9 billion, growing to nearly $52 billion in 2026. That is pricing in for massive growth. An EBITDA growth in 2022 of 50%, then doing 40% from there on forward. Tax rate 21%. For our free cash flow in 2021 of $6.1 billion, growing to $38 billion in 2026. Discount rate 10%, perpetual growth rate 4%. Today's value $495 billion. For a fair value today of $198.86, upside negative 9%. You can download this valuation model and adjust the numbers, as well as models for Tesla, Alibaba, Palantir, Corsair, and others at my Patreon. You can get in for just $1 right now. There's just a few seats remaining, so get in while you still can. You can play with the numbers in any of my valuation models to see what price is fair for you. And here's my multiple valuation model. This model has an upside of negative 15% with a target price of $185.24. So what am I doing? I could be totally wrong. I've been wrong before, I'll be wrong again. NVIDIA could skyrocket from here. NVIDIA is a great company doing the right things to grow. They have great leadership team and have market-leading products in many categories. They are innovating like crazy. In particular, after we get some numbers from the ARM acquisition, I'm really curious what kind of products NVIDIA will create from ARM and what kind of dent they can make in the server space. But I have to give it to you how I see it. For me, after evaluating the business, I'm staying on the sidelines for now. It is hard for me to justify a price over today's price. However, I'll keep NVIDIA on my watch list and keep tabs on the company for a buying opportunity in the future. I'm waiting for the price drop to the $145 range-ish, and then I'll reevaluate. But keep in mind, I'm just a guy on YouTube, so please do your own research, and you may come up with a value totally different from mine, and that is fine. My cat says, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you to the subscribers, thank you to the patrons, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.